cloud moved in over the southern part of the Western Cape on Tuesday, bringing in a few drops of rainfall with it. On our satellite, you'll see the bulk of the thunderstorm activity occurring outside of South Africa's borders, but with some tropical moisture still flowing in over the interior, resulting in afternoon and evening thundershowers on Tuesday. Now, from tomorrow, we'll see that band move in over South Africa's central interior, with a significant increase in thunderstorm activity over the next couple of days. We're still expecting some rainfall over the southern part of South Africa on Wednesday, with cloudy weather and widespread thunderstorms over the central part of South Africa, scattered as we head towards Gauteng, with isolated evening thunderstorms over the extreme northeastern parts. There's a watch of the possibility of heavy rain along the east coast, as well as heavy rain and localized flooding for the northwest and parts of Gauteng, but that's mainly late on Wednesday night. Light to moderate winds are expected over South Africa's interior, with a moderate to fresh northeasterly wind along the east coast. You'll see most of the thunderstorms over the southern part of KwaZulu-Natal on Wednesday. Temperatures remain warm with highs in the upper 20s. You'll see thunderstorm activity mainly over the eastern part of the Eastern Cape, but also extending all the way through to East London at 25. Light rain is forecast for Grahamstown, with the possibility of rain for Port Elizabeth, both with a high of 26 degrees. It'll be a mild Wednesday afternoon over the southern part of South Africa, with the possibility of rain along the coast from Plettenberg Bay through to Bredasdorp. Dry as we head further west, though, with another hot afternoon for Worcester and Robertson, as well as Cape Town and Longabon, all at around 30 degrees. We're expecting some morning fog along the west coast with a sunny and hot afternoon for Vredendal at 35, partly cloudy and dry for Springbok at 30. Here's where you'll see that cloudy and wet weather moving in on Wednesday. Much cooler weather over the central part of South Africa, with widespread thunderstorms extending over the eastern part of the Northern Cape, as well as the majority of the Free State. You'll see highs in the low and middle 20s for the Free State. In the northwest, cooler weather is forecast with widespread thundershowers and that watch for heavy rainfall and the possibility of localized flooding. Evening thundershowers reach Phalaborwa and Zanin, with the possibility of thundershowers through to Bombela in the evening at 30 degrees. Isolated thundershowers are forecast for the Mpumalanga Highveld, with a warm afternoon where maximums peak in the middle and upper 20s. Mostly cloudy for Gauteng, with a 60% chance of thundershowers. 28 degrees for Pretoria, with the rest of those highs in the mid-20s, and we'll see that heavier rain move in later on Wednesday night. Now on Thursday, the band of cloudy and wet weather moves in over the northeastern part of South Africa, with a much cooler day expected. You'll also see thundershowers all the way through to the east coast, and then on Friday, rainfall moves in over the southern part of South Africa. Still cloudy and wet for Polokwane and Bombela, with a few thundershowers expected still in the northeast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.